this is how it looks. After tying this, since it was the big rope here, so I have given manifold here. So after tying it, it's perfectly fit, if you see. So finally I bought this accessories for my bike. So it's memory foam, Crivit branded. It's a seat cover with memory foam, which is the speciality of this seat cover. So if you want to know more about the memory foam, you can see in description. So after comparing many things, memory foam versus latex, I feel this one looks fine. Apart from that, there is another seat cover which comes in the gel seat cover. So that's the another one I would like to purchase, but let's see how it is. So this seat cover comes in different size, so you need to be sure about what size of your seat is. So if you see here, so this is the seat, so I feel this is the perfect fit for this. So you have here the rope to tie this one. So let's see how it is fitting. So better you should put in front. And then yeah, it's perfect fit. Now you can tie here, shrinking this one, this.